Good morning. Okay, the GD 91 numerical ability. We'll discuss the questions. Look at the first one. Numerator of a fraction is increased by 2 and the denominator is increased by 3. The resultant fraction is 1 by 2. But when we added 3 to numerator, it becomes equal to the denominator. Okay. So which fraction is added to 3 to get the equal? This is 2 by 5. 3 edges రెండు ఏమవుతాయి? Then option C. అంతే కదా? Numerator is added by 3, then numerator and denominator both should be equal. Only one option, option C. Average of 20 students calculated as 15 years. Already average is 15. The answer should be more than 15 or less than 15, near to 15. Okay. Then these numbers are added as 14, 16, 40. 14, 16, 40, 10 means it is overall value 40. 12, 10, 15. 12, 10, 15, it is a value is how much? 37. Here is 40, here is 37. This is the wrong calculation, this is the right calculation. How much should be increased? 3 will be increased. 3 will be increased for the previous average. Old average, 3 will be increased for how many number of students? 20 students. 15 plus 3 by 20. The answer is 15.15. Option A. We'll take the difference of right numbers to wrong numbers by number of observations. The perimeter of a rectangle is 128 centimeter. Perimeter formula 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 128. From this we can write L plus B equal to how much? 64. And difference between length and breadth is how much? 16. Then what is the values are there? What is the values here? 64 of value 32, 18 of value 30. It is a 40 and it is a 24. 40 to 24 difference is 16. 40 plus 24, 64. Now we require area. Find the perimeter of the square. Its area is equal to 5 times of the area of the rectangle. 5 times of the area of rectangle. 5 times area of rectangle formula. Length into breadth will multiply 40 into 24, which is equal to square. Square area. Square area means square area formula is what? Side square is equal to 5 times of area of rectangle. Then 5 into 5 into 8 into 8 into 3. Is it correct? Side square is equal to 5 into 5 into 8 into 8 into 3. Yes, side is equal to what? 5 into 8 into root 3. Then it is equal to 40 root 3. But we need what? A perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is 4 years. That means it is equal to 160 root 3. 160 root 3 means option C is right. Out of 45 employees, 5:4 is mentioned. Total employees is 45. It is a how many parts? 9 parts. 9 parts equal to 45 means 1 part equal to 5. 1 part equal to 5 means it is a 25 and it is what? 20. 25 and 20. This is about males and this is about females. Then if 2 employees are selected for star month of the reward, then find the probability that at least one of the selected employees will be male. Overall, we have 45 employees. Out of 45 employees, we should select 2 employees. The 2 employees are belongs to at least male. At least male means I am selecting 25C1. 25C1, 1 male and 1 female. 1 female. Or at least means you should go for maximum. Maximum means 25C2 into 20C0. This should be solved. We'll get an answer. 25C1 value 25, 20C1 value 20, 25C2 value is 25 into 24 by 2 into 1 and 20C0 value is 1 and 45C2. 45 into 44 by 2 into 1. Okay, simplify the measurements here. 5 5s are 5 5s are 5 9s are 4 6s are 4 5s are 4 double ones are. And here cancel with 2. Otherwise, we'll take the LCM of 2. 2 into 1 2 255s are 225s are 225s are value 50. 6 5s are is 30 by 9 into 11 99. The denominator 2 into 1 2 into 1 will be going to cancel. Then final answer is how much? 80 by 99. 80 by 99 means option B is right. If shopkeeper discount is a 50%, market price is 1200. Market price is 1200. Discount should be always applied on market price. First discount is I will take X percentage. First discount is how much percentage? X percentage. The decrease is by how much percentage? 50. If it is previously 20%, now it is becoming 10%. Because 50% decrease. This is X percentage means next time is how much percentage? X by 2%. X by 2% on 1200. Here to here, difference is how much profit? 120 rupees profit. The discount value is how much? Okay, X percentage, X by 2%. From full X, half X will be removed. The result is what? Half X, X percentage by 1200, which is equal to 120. Cancel the measurements. So 120 to 1200, how many times? 10 times. X percentage means X by 2 into 10 into 100, which is equal to 1. Then X equal to how much? 20. 20 means then what is the X value? What is the discount percentage? Discount percentage 20%. Option A is right. Number of employees working in a shift 1 and shift 2, they mention this. Yeah, look at the question directly. The question is here 56% and 56% and 80% of the employees working in shift 1 and shift 2 respective company are males. Then find the males in company A. Company A is how much percentage here? 56%. In this how much percentage? 80%. 56% of 2 means percentage was 2 zeros cancel, it is become a 112. And percentage was 2 zeros cancel, 68 is how much? 128. Then both are added, its answer is how much? 240. Then option B is right. If the ratio of number of male to female working in shift 1, shift 2 company B is 5:3, 3:2 respectively. Okay, then find the percentage of male employees in company B out of the total number of employees. So in 320, how many members males are there? How many members male? 5 by 8 is belongs to males. 8 to 320, 40 times 45 is how many males? 200. This is the 200 males. And in this 180, how many males are there? 3 by 50. 5 to 180, 36. 36 3s is how many males? 108. This 200 plus 108 total how many males? 308 males. Out of this 320, this 180. 320 plus 180 is how many members? 500. 308 males out of total employees of 500. We need percentage multiply with 100. Then double zero cancel. 308 by 5 is nothing but it is equal to what? 61.6%. Average number of employees in company C and F is 400. Basically, there is no F value. C value is how much? 120 plus 240. How much? 360. Average means will multiply with 2, you will get total. In 840, 360 will be removed. 840 is belongs to C plus F. But C already we know 360. Then what about F value? From 840, 360 will be removed. Now 340 will be removed, 500. Extra 20 will be removed. 580 is how many employees? 480. Shift 1 and shift 2. Yes, shift 2 is 50% more. 50% more means ratio is what is the ratio? 3:2. Then find the number of employees in working in shift 2. Shift 2 means 3 by 5 into 480. Okay, 5 to 480 how many times? 96 times. 96 3s are. 96 3s are is how much? 93 is 276 3s are 8. It is how many employees? 288. Then option A. Number of employees working in shift 1 company D is 360. How much percentage more than the employees working in shift 2 in same company? Same company is 240. How much difference? 120 difference comparing to 240. We need percentage multiplied with 100. 121 to 122. It is equal to how much percentage? 50%. Option B. 36% and 66% employee working shifting 1 and shift 2 E respectively are village. Who are not village they are asking. E 300 members. 36% belongs to village means not village members is how much percentage? 64%. And shift 2 is contain 200 members. In this 66% village means not villages belongs to 34. Okay, 64 3s are 63s are 184, 3s are 12. It is a 192. And 34 2s are it is equal to 68. It is equal to total how many employees? 260. Option C. 4.5 into 80 into 7.5 because 5 to 400 how many times? 80 times. 4.5 make double. It is a 9. It is 9. And 7.5 make double. It is a 15. And take the 2 from 80, take the other 2 from 80, it is becoming how much? 20. This 80 will write 20 now. Okay. 15 20s are 300. 9 into 3. 9 into 3 is how much? 2700. Option B. 4.5 double, 7.5 double. It is a 4.5 double 9, 7.5 double is 15. 2, 3 by 4 plus 2, 5 by 2. X plus 2, 5 by 6. Take the values. 2 plus 2 minus 2, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 6. It is a x. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Where the 2, 5 by 6 is coming to the left side, it is becoming minus. Then take the LCM of 4, 2, 6. LCM value is 12 and 2. Here, how much will write? 2, 3, 12. 2, 2, 3, 12, how much? 9. And 2, 2, 12, 6 is a 30. And it is a 10. Which is equal to x. 12 2s are 24. And 30 minus 10 equal to 20. 20 plus 9, 29. 29 plus 24, which is equal to 53. 53 by 12 means option A. 16 2s is 32 plus 14 plus 19 square and 361 both are cancelled. Okay. So both are cancelled. It is not required the equal and directly we will go with equal 23x. 19 square value 361. 32 plus 14 equal to 46. 23 to 46 how many times? 2 times. Option B. 180% of 30. Percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 18 3s are. 18 3s are is how much? 54 x square which is equal to 620 is divided by 20. 0 0 cancel. 62 by 2 equal to 31 which is multiplied with 121 plus 24. 24 is removed from 54, result is 30. And 31 is multiplied to 121. 31 comes a 31, carry forward is 3, 31 to the 62, 62 plus 3 equal to 65, and it is equal to 3751. From 3711, 30 will be removed, that is equal to x square. X equal to under root of 3721. 3721 means it is nothing but answer is option C. Root of x minus 5 which is equal to 2209. 2209 under root value is how much? 47. Okay. It is 47. It is 52 root x. Root x equal to 52 means x is equal to 52 square. 52 square means answer is 2704. Option B. There is a question. Manik and Ayush started the business. The profit share of Manik's share is 3,400 and other person Ayush share is 5,250 because total profit is 8650. We know that profit by time applied you will get what is the ratio? Investment ratio. Profit by time. First person investment 10 months, second person investment 7 months. Cancel the measurements. Here 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Cancel with 7 also. 7 7s are 49 and 7 5s are. The ratio is 34 is to 75. This is what is the ratio? Investment ratio. First person investment is 34 parts equal to 4760. Then 75 parts equal to what? This is the question for us. Okay, 34 to 4760. How many times? 34 ones are 34. Remaining is 136. 136 means 34 to how many times? 14 times. And extra 0, 0. Then 34 into 140 equal to 4760. Here is also multiply with 140. Okay, so 75 into 14. 75 into 14 means 75 into 140 means nothing but 140 into 7. 150 into 70. 15 sevens are how much? Then the answer is 10,500. 10,500 means option A. We will apply the concepts of profit by time ratio, investment ratio. The ratio of downstream speed and upstream speed ratio is, downstream ratio is 5 parts, upstream ratio is 1 part. Board speed and current speed, what is the ratio? Board speed is how many parts? 6 parts or what? Is it right? Downstream speed is 5 part, upstream speed is 1 part, means board speed is how many parts? 6. Okay, and current speed is 4. 6 by 2, 4 by 2. Okay, it is nothing but ratio is, what is the ratio? 3:2. And clearly we know that board speed to current speed difference is how much? 7.5. 1 part equal to 7.5. 1 part equal to 7.5. 2 parts equal to 15. 3 parts equal to 22.5. Okay, this is about board speed, this is about current speed. The question is, how many kilometers going to covering? 75 kilometers covering down and up purpose covering 30 kilometers. Then how much time is required? 75 down. Board speed and current speed both are added. It should be equal to downstream speed. 22.5 plus 15, which is equal to how much? 37.5. And both the speeds are subtracted. That is belongs to which speed? Upstream speed. 22.5 minus 15. It is equal to how much? 7.5. This is 37.5. This is 7.5. 37.5 to 75, how many hours? 2 hours. 7.5 to 34 hours. Total journey is how many hours? 6 hours, option D. Two outlet pipes, A plus B, working for 15 hours. C alone can working for 10 hours. LCM is, the tank capacity is how many liters? 30 liters. 15 30s are 1 hour 2 liters. 10 30s are 1 hour 3 liters. Outlet always take negative or positive? Negative. Then all together working, it is a how much efficiency? Efficiency is become what? 2 liters are removing, 3 liters are reserving. Then it becomes 1 hour equal to how many liters? 1 liter. The tank capacity is how much? Now we can take 2/3 means 2/3 of 30 liters. 2/3 of 30 liters. 2/3 of 30 liters means how many liters? 20. This 20 liters is filled by at a time on the pipes. Then how many hours will required? How many hours are required? 20 hours. 1 hour 1 liter, 20 hours are required. Option A. A train crosses a man running in the same direction at a speed of 6 km in 20 seconds. Train length I don't know. Train speed is also I don't know. But speed is person speed we know, and same direction means we'll write s minus 6. And crossing each other in how many seconds? 20 seconds. This is a one part. This is a one equation. And the same length of the train crossing the 300 meter length of the platform with s speed in how many seconds? 36 seconds. We should solve these two equations. Compulsory we should solve. When you are solving this value, you will get s is equal to 60 km per hour. How many kilometer per hour we generate? Yes. This is s minus 6 is there. This will be multiplied 5 by 18. This is also multiplied with 5 by 18 because this kilometer per hour convert into meter per second. Then if you are solving these two, you will get answer of s is equal to speed will be get. Speed is 60 km per hour. Then once you got speed, you will easily find out what are the length of the train. Length of the train is how much? S minus 6 into 5 by 18 into 20. Already we have a s value, substitute here. 60 minus 6. 60 minus 6 is equal to 54 into 5 by 18 into 20. 18 to 54 3 times and 25 is 100. 100 3 is 300 meters. The length of the train is 300 meters. Option E. A container is completely filled with 80 liters, removing 90% is milk. Removing 90% is milk means remaining is how much percentage? 90%. This is not only one time, another time also. Other time is also 90%. This is answer. 9 9 ja 81, 81 8 ja. 81 8 is how much? 648. And 100 0 0 0 0 cancel. Denominator is 110. It is a 64.8 liters. Option C. 10% is gone, means remaining 90%. 90 into 90. If it is third time, again we can multiply with 90. These are number series. 16 to 20. How much added? 400. 20 to 27. How much added? 27. And 47 to 63. How much added? 16. This is a 2 square. This is a 3 cube. This is a 4 square. Next is what? 5 cube. 5 cube is how much? 125. Next should be added by 36. These are all squares. These are all cubes. Then 188 plus 36 is equal to what is answer? 224. Option C. Square cube. Square cube. 12 to 18. How much increase? 16. 18 to 30. How much increase? 12. And 20 to 54. How much increase? 24. And it is 48. And it is 96. 6 double 12, 12 double 24, 24 double 48, 48 double 96. 54 plus 48 equal to our answer. Then answer is what is answer? 90 or 112? 112 or 102? 102. 102 plus 96, 198. Then option E. Next. 123 to 130. Difference is how much? Minus 7. 130 to 116. How much difference? Plus 7. Plus 7 minus 14. And next plus 21. 116 plus 21. 116 plus 21 is answer is 137. From 137 remove the 28. Remove the 28, you will get 109. Again you can add it 35. You will get 144. This is the logic. 7 multiples. 7 ones are, 7 twos are, 7 threes are, 7 fours are, 7 fives are. The question mark answer equal to what is answer? 137. Option B. Here 16 to 24. How much difference here? 8 no? 8. And basically it is not a difference. 64 plus 104. How much? Both are added. 168. 104 plus 168. Result is how much? 272. Preceding sum of the two numbers is equal to next number. 16 plus 24. Answer is how much? 40. 16 plus 24 plus 40. Answer is what? 64. Previous two number sums is equal to answer. Then answer is 40. Option A. 12 to 25. Into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. Here is into 2 plus 1. 51 2s are 102. 102 plus 1, 103. 103 double 206 plus 1, 207. Then option B is right. Double plus 1, double plus 1. There is a quadratic equations. There is a 4 5s is 20. 20 factors are what? 10 2s are divided with 4 and minus minus. And next to 4 21s are 84. 84 factors are what here? 14 6 are and divided with 4 and minus minus. 4 cancel and compare the result. Minus 10 minus 14 minus 10 is bigger. Minus 10 minus 6 minus 6 is bigger. 1 less than 1 greater than is no relation. Option B is right. First equation factors are 8, 4. Second equation factors are what? 15 4s are. And compare it. 4 to 4 equal 4 to 15, 15 is a bigger. Comparing to 8, 8 to 4, 8 is bigger. Then 1 less than 1 greater than means answer is what? No relation. 12 can be multiplying to 1, it is a 12. 12 factors are 4, 3 and divided with 12. It is minus, it is minus. The final factors are minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4. Next 9 can be multiplying to 2, it is 18. 18 factors are 3, 6 divided by 9, divided by 9. Then final factors are minus 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. Compare the results. Minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is bigger. Minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is bigger, and here is also bigger. Then answer is, what is answer? X greater than or equal to y. Option A is right. This is an equation first of all we can multiply with 3. 3 will be multiplied, it is becoming 15x plus 6y equal to 30. Second equation, 15x minus 3y equal to 12. Then it is a minus, will be removed, and it is a 9y, it is a 18. Y equal to what is the value? 2. Y will be substitute any one equation, will get the answer. I am going with through first option. 5x plus 6 equal to 10, then 5x equal to minus 4, then x 4, then 4 sorry 4, and it is becoming 6, and x equal to 6 by 5. Comparing to 6 by 5, 2 is bigger. Then answer is x less than y. Option D. Two negative answers are there, then answer is directly, we can say, cannot be determined. Next, this is a simplification. 3 plus 8, 11, 11 minus 4 is equal to 7, 7 minus 2 equal to 5. You will get 5 on option D. Root of 4489. Root of 4489 is how much? 67 or 63? 67. Minus root of 2601, value answer is 51. Root x. Then root x equal to 16, x equal to answer is 256. Option D. 16 by 29 into 87 by 128 into 16 by 21. 29 to 87 3 times, 16 to 128 8 times, 8 to 16 2 times, 3 to 21 7 times. Answer is 2 by 7. Option A. 273 is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. What is answer? 91. From 91, 9.1 will be removed. Nothing but 10% is removed. 10% is removed means it is contained 90%. 90% of 91, it is equal to 81.9. Option A. Here 538.24. From 24, 22 will be removed. It is a 0.2. Next, 8 minus 3 value is 5. From 53, 19 will be removed. It is equal to 34. 345.02. This will be multiplied. 9 to 21, 9 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, and 343 double is how much? 686. It is become 687. It is answer is 0.84, and it is a 12, and it is a 13, and a 10. Then final answer is 1032.84. The option is what? A. Thank you.